Hi guys, welcome to TechToon channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to lock Facebook profile. So let's go to Facebook first. After logging to Facebook, you will find on top right corner your profile icon, this one, or account option. Just click on this and click on your name, profile name. Now all you have to do is you'll find here three dot icon, this one. Click on this. You'll find it also on mobile phone. So now all you have to just click on this lock profile. If you click on this lock profile, it will be asking you for confirmation. Now just click on this, lock your profile, and your profile is locked. Just click on OK. You're done. So guys, this is how you can lock your profile on Facebook. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.